Hello, my name is Brooks Hain, and I am a very, very satisfied Atticare customer. Atticare was guiding me not in terms of just, doing the right things, but frankly at the right value. They were on time, they communicated extremely well, the ability to gain my trust, and frankly, in the end, my confidence that they will follow through from the owner of the company to the people who are out here. I can't recommend Atticare enough.
I would recommend Atticare because of their customer service. To me, it puts them above the other companies. You might look and you might find companies that are about the same price, but again, I work in customer service as well, and I know the value of that compared to another company.
They are very professional. The company is just excellent, and so if you guys need your attic cleaned, you guys need to Google Atticare. Thank you.
My name is Rohan, and we hired Atticare to replace the insulation in our attic, to do some rodent proofing and sealing, and then also replace the full HVAC system, including the furnace, the AC, and the ductwork. And overall, we're very happy with the experience. The end product we got was great. And we feel like Atticare really did a nice job taking care of us and making sure the customer experience was kind of as painless as possible.
I can't tell you how pleased and happy I was with their service. They did an amazing job. I couldn't have been happier or pleased with their work. Take it from a homeowner, definitely give Atticare a call.